Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using my sister as a model. So I'm using hair from Curlyme hair. They sent me a 26-inch 180 or 120, no, 180 or 200% density. So yeah, so guys, can you imagine I didn't pluck this front or this wig, like it came like this. I only plucked a little bit of the front, and when I say a little bit, like in total probably like 10 strands of hair. All I did is I bleached the knots and I tinted the front all, and look at how amazing it looks. Like I feel like this is really good. This is definitely a wig that, you know, you can back on your head, well, after you bleach your knots. But yeah, I'm really happy with it, and it's 13 by 6 as well. So in this video I decided that I want to crimp it, you know, do something a little bit different. And I've had my crimps for ages and I haven't used it, so I just thought, let me do that. So I'm not really doing anything different to what you guys have seen on my channel before, so I'm gonna install that and then we're gonna go ahead and I'll show you how I crimp. It's not really a tutorial, it's more so a watch me and just vibe while you listen to this cool ass music. And yes,
other bucks down, like, leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, bitch, you gonna what? Leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, running other bucks down, like, leave me alone. Yeah. You can't play me, I'm just wavy, sipping purple till I'm lazy like a throwback. I ain't shit how you ain't know that. Hit my pop like I'm the Kodak on the block where it ain't good at. I can't sweat you, I'm like who that? I can't sweat you, I don't do that. Nah. Hey, tell you the truth, I ain't want you to depart. Hey, I wanted you, but I can't fuck with you cause you different, you can't play your part. No, down, hey, tell you the truth, I wanted you from the start. Hey, I cannot fuck on no bitch, I can't love on no bitch that's not playing her part. Like, damn, leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, running other bucks down. Hey, leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, bitch, you done what down. Leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, running other bucks down. Like, leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, bitch, you done what down. Leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck, running other bucks down. Like, leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck.
Okay, so the crimper that I'm using is from Andrew Burton. I like to use it upside down, and before I use it I spray hairspray. So if you see like mist going on the hair, it's hairspray. I use the bedhead hard head hairspray. I'm gonna link everything that I've used down below, or just comment in the comment section. There's not really much to it, do you know what I mean? Like, it's kind of a thing where you just watch me and you get it. Like, it's not really something that should be or can be explained. It's more of a visual thing, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so I'm just gonna crimp here and you'll see the final results at the end.
Hey, tell you the truth, I ain't want you to depart. Hey, I wanted you, but